Hello people, welcome back to another tutorial, and please subscribe for me. For any inquiries you can email me or DM me on Instagram. I'm just doing a simple look but with lighter foundation plus orange corrector. And let's get started. I'm starting by brushing my eyebrows with Iman of Noble gel and mascara. Then powder to block the oil around the eyebrows. Then I take styling gel and press it in my eyebrows. I then mixed Elegant Pro Concealer in Cool Tan and Elegant Pro Matte Foundation in Cappuccino to clean my eyebrows both up and down. Since it's a simple look, I'm not going to be too much on the eyes, just lipstick from Huda Beauty in Vamp and blend it. Meanwhile, you can check my page at Shop with Jenny on Instagram and Facebook for colored contact lens, anklets, comfortable high heels and other beauty products. My primer is from Elegant. Next is orange corrector from Elegant and a bit of Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but a lighter shade than my skin. You can see I'm lighter due to the foundation shade I used, and I just wanted to see the outcome when I mix the orange corrector and a lighter shade. So I'm blending the concealer and foundation together. The lighting can be a bit confusing, but you can see the difference between my face and my neck. Using again a lighter concealer from Elegant in Cool Tan. Using a damp beauty blender to press in the concealer, and I'm becoming more and more lighter. used Elegant pressed powder in the cocoa to blend everything all together. I forgot to press the play button when recording that, but I'm just adding more powder.